Onaku olwaleero Ssaabalamuzi Bart Magunda Katulebe atongoza enteekateeka empya mu kkooti za Uganda nga muno abavunaanwa baakusomebwanga emisango wabula nga basinziira mu kkomera ekkulu e Luzira. Enteekateeka eno etongozeddwa olunaku olwaleero omuvunaanwa wakubeera nga asomebwa emisango gye nga omulamuzi asinziira mu kkooti ento ku Buganda Road wabula ate oyo yenna anaabavunaaniddwa wakubeera nga asinziira mu kkomera ekkulu e Luzira. Okusinziira ku Ssaabalamuzi Bart Magunda Katulebe agamba nti enteekateeka eno yakusobola okubunyisibwa mu makomera amalala wabula nga etandikidde mu kkomera ery'e Luzira wakati ne kkooti esangibwa ku luguudo lwa Buganda.
This introduction of ICT in our working environment should not be seen as an end in itself. It's an enabling tool to enable us to do our work more efficiently. Let's not assume that because we have now computers and recording and so on, it will necessarily take away our duty to do justice. We still have to be there, the human being must be there, the judicial officer must be there. These must be seen as tools to enable us to deliver speedy justice as is required by the Constitution.
Onera asabye abalamuzi okukyusa endowooza zaabwe ze balina ku bintu ebitali bimu omuli ne tekinologiya kyagambye nti kiteekeddwa okubeera nga kibbulula essiga eddamuzi.
We still want to look at the nice computer on our desk, but we don't use it. There must be a mindset that this is the new world. This is the way business is being done all over the world. It's not just that we are starting it here. This is the new world. This is the way we are going to work. This is the new method of work. We've got to adopt them and change our own mind to accept and apply them.
Yorokamba Mwine atendereza enteekateeka eno n'ategeeza nga bw'egenda okukendeeza ku miwendo gy'emisango egikyetuumye mu kkooti.
So we still need that human touch, that ability to see beyond or through the screen and pass on only quality information to the suspects at the other end, not just inquiries continue. Imagine someone appears here and every time the matter comes up, it is inquiries continue.
Ye akulira amakomera mu ggwanga Uganda Johnson Byabashaija alambise biki byasuubira byagenda ofuna mu nteekateeka eno etongozeddwa.
One staff of the Uganda Prison Service at our current strength is expected to escort 7 prisoners. Definitely this is practically impossible. So, with this video conferencing, I expect to get relief because the staff will no longer be going to court, take people for mention. I have to emphasize mention because of course hearings we shall be taking these people there.
Abanita Uganda nga bano be batesitesa enteekateeka eno asobodde okulambika biki bye batunuulidde mu nteekateeka eno.
Meter at the government data center. We have 2 virtualized servers which are hosting this entire infrastructure, meaning failure is minimized. God forbid something happens in this court or in Luzira, the system will continue working because the processing, the encoding, and most of the technology is in the data center, not necessarily here. That's why Brian will connect this court your lordship.
Enteekateeka eno yeesoose mu buvanjuba bwa Africa wabula nga amawanga amalala okuli eggwanga lya Bungereza n'amawanga amalala mu Bulaaya gaagisadda mu nkola era nga gali ku mutendera mulala. Isa Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 Oleggulo.